Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login Assist. In this guide video, I will show you how to verify email address on Discord. So if you have registered for the Discord account and if you want to verify your email address, it is actually very simple. For that, what you have to do is simply launch open Gmail on your device. You can see over here Gmail has been opened. Make sure you're logged into the account with which you created the Discord account. Now what you have to do is tap on the search bar that you can see at the top of your screen. Now once you do that, what you have to do is search for Discord verify email. Now search for it. Now you'll be able to see the results over here. What you have to do is simply find the email sent by the Discord. Tap on the email sent by the Discord regarding the email verification. Now you can see over here that particular email will be opened. Now over here you'll be able to find this option for verify email. What you have to do is tap on it. Now once you do that, you'll be redirected to the browser. Now after you do that, your email address will be verified. I've already verified my email address, so I'm being able to see this kind of message. But you'll be able to see the message that your email address has been verified. Now you'll be able to continue using the Discord. So like this, you'll be able to verify the email address. So that is how you verify email address in Discord. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.